Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to turn a photo to black and whites on GIMP. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. So this one's going to be really quick and easy, so make sure to pay attention because it's going to fly by. So at the top left corner of your screen, just go ahead and press colors. And then you have a couple of different things that you can do. You got your saturation, which you could turn to 0. And this is just going to be the easiest way to turn it black and white. Also, you could do like, maybe change some shadows and stuff and maybe like up your highlights if you're going to do that to kind of like add more to it. Maybe add some brightness, maybe a little bit of contrast. Oh my God, that's the heck is that? And then, yeah, maybe like just make it easier for the eyes, if it's going to be black and white. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. I almost said Rust.